Guys, I have ordered my chest mount, but right now I'm using a DIY setup, so that's why the video is getting paused again and again. So I'm struggling to keep the video on. I'll try to maintain some distance from these horses, otherwise they'll kick me off. Sorry भाई, निकल जाने दे. This is a complete slush here. I'll not have to press the clutch lever, otherwise the bike will get skid and I'll not be able to uplift this heavy machine. I think the video has got paused. I'll go until the main road comes. I'll also shoot in the main road in the NH9. Right now I'm in the village linking road. You can see the scenic beauty of this area. Let me shift to neutral because I'll not be able to handle the bike in the gears. I think I have reached the main road, which is National Highway 9, which links Tanakpur to Tawaghat. This is the main route of Adi Kailash and Om Parvat. From here I'll have to take right turn to enter the city Lohaghat.